Okay, let's continue to the secondary classification. So, when we say secondary classification, it is the writing of capital letters of the symbol of the index finger. So, say index, matik na capital letter ha, when we solve the secondary classification. And small letters for the thumbs, middle ring, and little fingers. So, meaning, katong upat, kung mo ni ang atong kamot, kaning atong index, capital letter, gagmay ang dayoning upat. The thumb, the middle, the ring, and the little finger. And applicable only to the radial loop, plain arch, and the tented. This is what we call the rat family, R-A-T. So, meaning, in secondary classification, we only need to find these patterns. These patterns has the only value. Okay? Matik sa index finger, copy-paste na to. So, right index is the numerator and the left index is the denominator. Unlike sa primary classification that we need the finger 2, 4, 5, 6 for the numerator and 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on and so forth for the denominator. Here, in secondary classification, the right hand automatic the numerator and the left hand is automatic the denominator. So, 25 possible combination from A over A to plain word to plain word. 64 combination from A over A, arch over arch, then accidental over accidental. So, ngayon na siya. Okay. So, we have, again, naadjud na blocking. That's the importance of blocking. Why? Kay ato naman na siyang butang. So, we will continue the classification na. Dali ra siya, paspas. So, governing finger, all finger. Meaning to say, from finger 1 to finger 10, it is important. Okay? Kinahanglan na apilo na nato sa solving. Then, governing pattern, meaning to say, ang pattern lang that has value or a pattern that has an importance in solving the secondary division is only the rat, the radial loop, the plain arch, and the tented, which is, it will be written in a small letter. Okay? So, once again, unlike primary division, the positioning of pattern in the finger remains as it is. Thus, finger 1 to 5, this finger 1 to 5 is the numerator. And finger 6 to 10 is the denominator. Nga na siya. So, ang rule, dash is used for patterns does not belong to the group. Dash imong ibutang. Then, only the radial loop, the plain arch, and the tented have the appearance in secondary. Unless symbol of all patterns appeared in the index finger should be written in capital letter. Ulnar is not considered as part of the small group. So, only the radial loop, the plain arch, and the tented. Pasabot, in secondary division, maulang jud ni ang na-value. Ang index finger, automatic ra nimo na i-copy-paste kung unsa in capital letter. So, let's try to solve. Okay? So, here, let's start para dili mo maglibog. We will start in the index finger. So, index finger, natay pattern na loop. What type of loop is that? That is a radial loop. So, capital letter R. Copy-paste ang plain word. Why? That's the rule. You need to copy-paste in capital letter ang index finger. So, capital letter W. Tinamba na to ni. So, next dire, we have the double loop. So, dash. Why? Sa rule naka-stipulate, dash is used for patterns that does not belong to the group of small letter. Or, dash imong ibutang if it does not belong to the rat family. So, muna yung butang. The next, we have loop. What type of loop is this? So, ang iyang slant is going towards the little finger. Kay right hand ba ni? This is the right hand and this is the left hand. So, little finger, meaning to say this is an ulnar loop. So, dili gyapon siya belong sa rat family. Then, small letter A kay plain arch. It belongs to the rat family. Next, balik ta diri, plain whorl. So, wala, dash. Lower, pababa na ta sa denominator, we have the the T. So, it belongs to the rat family. So, small letter group, small letter T. Kaya ang ato raman jud dakuon is kanira mang index, mora jud ay capital letter. Copy paste lang siya. Then, X, the accidental, dash. Plain arch, small letter A, then plain whorl, small dash. So, mo na ang result. Mo ni ang result sa atong secondary classification. Only the rat family. Okay? I will give you another example. So, mag-blocking out kibali ko dire. Ta. Kano. So, for example, na ako'y tented arc. I have accidental. I have plain arch. I have tented, another tented. Then, I have loop. Then, pag-abot po din ni, I have plain arch, and plain arch. So, meaning mo na yung pattern. So, automatic, we will solve that sa yunra. Automatic, you copy-paste ang imong index finger into capital letter. So, the X and the T. X and T. So, the accidental and the tented arch. So, let's move sa right thumb. Small letter A. Then, sa baba, small letter T. Why? It belongs to the rat family. So, meaning to say, it belongs to the small letter group. So, we have this loop. What type of loop this is this? Is it radial or ulnar? Take note ha, the ring apart is the right hand and the ring apart is left hand. Always na siya. Dili pwede mag-interchange. Dili jud pwede. So, since this is a loop, then it flows towards the thumb, meaning that is a radial loop. It can be written like this. Pwede. Small letter L, small letter R. Pwede. Sa baba, naab, it belongs to the rat family. That's a plain arch, small letter A, and small letter A. Pwede ra na, nga na mag-solve. That's a tinamban. But, you can solve it like this. Copy-paste the accidental, copy-paste the capital letter T, small letter T, copy-paste, gihapon ang A. So, tulo man na, so, 3R. Meaning to say, 3 radial. Then, tulo man pud ni, so, 3A. Okay? Inga na siya. Di ba dali lang? Only remember, just kuan lang ang rat. Kung wala siya na belong sa rat family, then wala siya value. As is, pasagdi. That's dash. Di ba? Nga na lang siya ka basic when it comes to secondary classification. You can be kuan pa when it comes to primary, but the secondary classification is super easy lang siya. Just remember the rat family, the small letter group, and of course, copy-paste the index. Regardless, ha? Bisan pa na o whorl na siya, basta kay sa rule, just copy-paste. Okay? Okay. Wait. Okay, so I will make another blocking. Don't forget, dapat napulo na sila kabuok. Ma'am, what if tungkol? So, I will discuss that kung saan na siya pag-solve if there is an amputated or missing fingers. But now, let's try to imagine that the person we are trying to solve his or her fingerprint has 10 fingers, meaning kompleto. So, we have accidental, double loop whorl, central pocket, plain whorl, central pocket, double loop. Then, we have a ulnar loop, ulnar loop, ulnar loop. Then, another, we have for the right hand, for the last pattern, let's say we have another ulnar loop. So, don't forget ha, kani ang right hand and this is the left hand. Automatic, this is the numerator fingers and denominator fingers. So, matik, pag isolve na to for secondary, the rat family. Basta kay rat ha, rat, small letter. So, ano siya? R-A-T. So, automatic copy-paste the index finger. This is the index finger, both the numerator and denominator, capital letter. Okay. So, now, is there, sa atong blocking, is there a presence of a rat family or a pattern that belongs to the rat family? None. Diba? Wala. Again, it is a plain word. It does not belong to the rat family. Only the radial loop, the plain art, and the tented. So, kung wala man, sa rule, you can put as dash. Deri, this is left hand. So, meaning to say, this is an ulnar loop. This is not a radial loop. So, dash, dash, dash. Nga na. But, kung para mas dali, you can only write X, accidental, and double loop. Kana lang. Pwede na dayo na siya. Diba? Okay. Mom, what if another? We have, for example, accidental na diha. Accidental. So, 5. We have arc, arc, tented. Then tented, tented, arc. Then we have for the right hand, radial. Then for the left hand, that's radial loop. Okay. So, copy-paste automatic the index finger, which is the accidental. Then, we have 2 arch. You can write either small letter A and for the tented, small letter T. Then, sa baba, you can write small letter T, 2 small letter T, and small letter A. Then, for this, you can write small letter R and small letter R. But, you can also write something like this. Automatic, copy, R, R. So, we have 2. So, you can write 2A and small letter T. So, 2T and small letter A. So, ano lang? Dali lang, di ba? Just remember the rat. If walay rat, then dash. That's all. Ano lang kadali ang secondary classification. Okay? Just remember na copy-paste the index, then find the rat family. If wala kayo makita ang rat family, then put dash. It's because it is stated in the rule. Okay? That's it. Bye.